you in my suitcase. I need creases for my own memory.
Let there be floor.
So what they're cutting in the sawmill there is called boomstick. You can see right here, this has been soaking in the water. It's been used, they transport a lot of timber in the Pacific Northwest on the rivers. And so they'll make these huge log rafts out of logs, and the booms that they use to contain them are called boomsticks, and that's what this is. The hole drilled in this is for a chain to run in to bind it all together. So you can see all the stuff here. What makes this so special is this stuff has been in the water for, well, over 70 years.
Yeah,
and that's what gives it that unique color. So we'll go over here real quick and I'll show you the guys there, what they're cutting off the sawmill. So this is, you can see what gives it the unique color and the grain. This has just been soaking in water for a long, long time. What do you think?
I like it.
No, that's an old 6-yarder. The sawdust rig. Those are big.
Now this is the kind of beam we could use in our kitchen.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, let's do that again.
So this is really interesting. This is Blair's kiln. Right here, this is where he dries all the material. So you can see up here the huge gas heaters. And he's got these trolleys.
Yeah, and this is the wood that's been brought into.
Right.
Heath, check out how big that beam is.
Yeah. That's probably what? Over 35 feet long.
Really?
That timber? 30 feet. I was wrong. 5 feet off. So it says 30 feet. That's probably a 10 by 14 So this is all material for customers, all special custom cut. Blair has the ability to cut any size timber, even the big old growth stuff. He's one of the very few mills left in the world that can handle this big material. Pretty cool kiln, huh? So these are the biggest bifold doors I have ever seen. They are massive. This is really, really cool.
If the sawmill wasn't cool enough, the building is.
It sure is. Look at that.
Hi, I'm Paul Mann, M-A-N-N. Been in the lumber business since 1970. Worked from the bottom up, and now I'm back to the bottom. I've been here 10 years. Blair's my neighbor, and it's been a good living. Yeah. These are the broomsticks that come out of the river. A friend of mine who I went to high school with, he runs the tugboat system down there. So he pulls all the broomsticks out of the river, and he's building 3 cabins on his event site down in Home Valley out of broomsticks. But
So
similar
are the
to this,
broomsticks, are they in the way now? Are they trying to get rid of them? Or
yeah,
they
they're
pull
just
them
trying to get them out of the river, and they don't want to waste them because they can use them.
Yeah. And how do they go out and specially like scavenge, or they just
Yeah,
the way
they just
pull them out?
they
Or what
just pull
happens?
them out of the river, stack them up, then go back and go get them. Longview, Astoria, wherever. Because I think SDNS has most of the salvage rights.
Interesting.
I think they do.
Okay.
Yeah, most of it.
Hearsay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the scale of all this. So you call this the head rig, and this is this is what you use to cut the big stuff. You said you could cut up to 7 feet in diameter.
Pretty close to it, yeah.
So how does this work?
We run it off. Well, the generator isn't here right now. It's over a big pole planer.
Let me step over here.
Yeah.
Those are some blades there.
Yeah.
So the replaceable teeth.
Yeah, you can take them in and out and change the tooth out.
Wow.
Yeah.
And are those? I've seen old catalogs. I think the Atkins used to make those, or it's the Simon's company.
I'm trying to think who makes the teeth. They're out of Portland.
How interesting.
And they still make them though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. The upper saw is a little bit harder to find, but Blair finds them.
2 saws there, Cody.
I think that was cheaper than that one, the Blair bought. That's what I.
Ah, okay.
He found it out in a field and we put it together.
So those.
So that's what a tooth looks like. Fascinating. I didn't know such a thing existed.
And that's what it takes off.
Oh,
See that?
that's not so good, huh?
It wasn't so good.
So you got too close to one?
Yeah, right there. Just shaved it a little.
You're
bit.
lucky you didn't take off more, huh?
Well, I had a brand new pair of gloves on, and the stick got caught in here like this. My fingers are short. Like that. I looked over at him, and the saw caught my glove and then I jerked back real quick, and it just nicked it right there. But Dr. Labarge saved my finger.
Oh, good.
Little sawmill from J. Neal.
Yeah.
Probably the 20s. Now Mac would know more because he's born and raised up here. He knows everything about this.
Oh, he does?
place,
Okay.
Yeah. And there's more beaches.
I have a question. Why are the doors so tall?
Well, because that's where they used to run the trucks in. They're big giant trucks and the steam engines. Because see, that old road that runs along there?
Yeah.
That was a railroad line to bring the logs and lumber back and forth
Oh.
before there was trucks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So the trains, that's why the doors are so big.
right, the big steam engines.
Cool, huh? I like doing these tours. I always learn so much.